Hi everyone, this is Ashley and I'm here at Venetian Nail Spa Town Center Mall in Boca Raton, Florida, and I'm going to show you how we use the jetless Airpad system made by Gulfstream. And I'm going to show you guys how we sterilize our tools by using the Midmark M11 Autoclave.
When operating a salon, our top priority is maintaining a safe environment for both staff and patrons. Here in this segment, we demonstrate how we use the jetless Airpad system made exclusively by Gulfstream Inc. It's unique as it doesn't require the use of traditional pedicure jets and provides a quieter operation, minimizing noise to allow a more relaxing experience. After lining the pedicure tub with our disposable liner, we then apply the Airpad that will then create the same spa effects as a normal jet would. In this case, everything is used only once and disposed properly after each use. This eliminates cross-contamination and, most importantly, any risk of viruses and diseases.
And I'm going to show you guys how we sterilize our tools by using the Midmark M11 Autoclave.
Although not required by State Board, we wanted to demonstrate the step-by-step process after each service when it comes to sanitation. Here at Venetian Nail Spa Town Center Mall, we chose the Midmark M11 Autoclave, profoundly used in many medical facilities, as our top choice to sterilize our equipment. After washing and drying, we carefully place them in a sterile pouch and into the autoclave. The process involves pressurized steam to heat the equipment at 275 degrees, eliminating all pathogenic organisms and bacterial spores which can lead to infections or illness. Here, you can see the indicated arrows will change color based on a steam flush process, turning the blue arrow to brown. We always encourage our patrons to sanitize their own tools prior to bringing them for use. This not only protects them, but also our team.